Welcome back to Crypto Evolutions with me, CryptoBull. Please remember to subscribe. Hit the subscription button here. Today I'll be talking about Hawk Network. It's an Internet of Things IOT network, and I'll be talking about how they have intelligent hardware, how they have edge computing, and it doesn't mean cutting edge, and how they integrated blockchain into their Internet of Things, and how I'm hopeful for this ICO. So let's get to the ICO evolution, and I'll tell you all about it. All right, all right, folks. Welcome back to CryptoBull ICO evolutions. Like I said, I'll be talking about Hawk Network, distributed intelligent IoT technology infrastructure. So I'm gonna explain what I mean in a second. So this is a Photoshop I made, and this is their website, hawk.cool by me. And yeah, so let's get to it then. You can find me on Telegram, but if you're gonna PM me first, please mention this video. So, all right. So blockchain in the retail market to be worth globally by 2024, it's $60 billion. That's a lot of money. It's a billion with a B and not million with an M. In their website they have another reference, and it's got a lot of money too. But this is a source from IBM.com, so you can just write this on your browser and see this prediction by IBM. $60 billion is a lot of money, and they say that in 2017 there are 15 million users of blockchain. That's a lot of users, and I'm pretty sure in 2019 there are a lot more. That's 100% total success. They predict 80% growth in usage of blockchain technology, which is great. And so some of the features of this Hawk platform is it's got we're gonna see the features of it. But this is another picture I made. It looks nice, doesn't it? A hawk among other birds. Anyways, so they use distributed intelligent Internet of Things (IoT). So they distribute some of the knowledge to. Well, it's a blockchain is a distributed ledger, so they use this principle for this Hawk platform. So the Hawk network was incubated by Canada's UB Group and Clayton. So it's it came out of an incubator. Incubators are companies that incubate or let new startups improve. So it's great that it came out of an incubator. It means that it's using R&D, right? So they are using R&D to improve themselves. And Clayton is a blockchain platform owned by Kakao Korea. So Korean platforms seem to be doing very well because there are a lot of Korean investors in the blockchain area, and they're doing good, I think, because this technology is a cutting-edge technology, and it's got a lot of potential. So the Hawk is, like I said, it was incubated by this UB Group, and UB Group is a large-scale Internet of Things and a smart travel multinational company. So it's the right company to incubate Hawk, and UB Group has 30 million users. So if you are being incubated by this company, that means you have some access to these 30 million users, and it's great. And UB Group operates in dozens of cities around the world. So you can see from now why I think positively about this Hawk.cool. So Kakao is a Korean social giant with 50 million users, and Clayton is Clayton, I think, Kakao's blockchain platform. Clayton, yeah. So it's great that they are using a social messaging platform with 50 million users and Internet of Things platform with 30 million users they were incubated by. So Hawk Network has intelligent hardware, edge computing. That doesn't mean cutting edge computing. I'm going to explain what edge computing is in a minute, and they use blockchain. Distributed intelligent Internet of Things is an IoT, and it uploads all sensor data through through precise calculation to the blockchain for data interaction. So it uses blockchain. It uploads all the sensor data from your I don't know, washing machine, from your cooker or whatever you have with IoT, Internet of Things, right? And okay, edge computing. What is it? Edge computing is an intelligent computing model, and part of the computing power is shared by terminal devices. What does that mean, right? It means you're using blockchain, and you are using nodes. You are using different computers to share the computing power. So you have a bunch of different computers doing all the computing together. So you're not just trusting one computer, but you are using blockchain to create a huge computer network that kind of shares. It's like neurons in a brain or something, if you think about it. So edge computing is that, and big data is. You all know about the big data, about big data thing. After data is calculated by many node devices, the data is uploaded to a distributed database to form big data, right? So because they're like neurons in a brain, and you upload this data to the database to form big data. All right, and blockchain is sorry about that. The blockchain is the terminal smart device completes the edge calculation. There's a smart device at like the terminal, the last smart device, and the data is uplinked. The blockchain becomes the repeater and connector of the data, right? So that's good. And multi-level embedded smart contracts are used. It supports programmable contract development and provides standardized contract templates and interfaces. So how cool is using smart contracts, of course. It is also using intelligent terminal, and many front-end intelligent terminals can handle complex processing tasks independently. So because you have intelligent terminals, you have many of them, they're like nodes, they can handle complex processing tasks, and they're independent because that's the principle of blockchain, right? All right. They can process valuable raw data collected by equipment in real time. So that's good. All right. So that's intelligent terminal and trusted networks. Blockchain network is distributed intelligent terminal creates a more credible internet of all things. So because you're using blockchain network, and by distributed intelligent terminal, you have a more credible IoT, right? Why? Because this network is a highly secure, trusted network. In addition to improving the operational efficiency of traditional IoT and reducing the computing costs, you also have distributed intelligent terminal. So that's trusted because it's on the blockchain, right? Yeah, it's important to have a trusted network, and blockchain cannot be hacked, manipulated, or changed in any way. So it's a highly secure, trusted network, and this is important because IoT, SIM cards was hacked lately, and it's important to have a trusted network. All right, so Hawk network is this is another Photoshop, is a combination of edge computing technology, 5G technology, which is cell phone technology, and blockchain technology. And this is the team. This is CEO, and I went to their team page, and when you click on their on the people who work there, you go to their LinkedIn page, and on their LinkedIn pages, it's written hawk.cool. So it's important to see platforms on their LinkedIn page. So if you want a big impact, you should use Hawk Network in Internet of Things. So if you have any questions, you can email me at this address, or you can just better yet write comments or questions in the comments section. All right, and here are some of the links for Hawk Network. This is the website and their GitHub, which is important, a white paper, Twitter, etc., their LinkedIn page, and their Telegram. So These are my links. You can connect me using these, and these will be also in the description. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.